Sini.
Oh iya.
Ini bang. Iya emang. Belum cuaca kayak mana kan? Apa ya? Soalnya di jalan nih. Kita musafir kan? Musafir. Oh. Ah. Ya landscape nih kan? Potret kan tuh itu. Sini. Apa yang situ? Itu rumah orang mau bertamu. Mau bawa bertamu.
Putar balik, lalu belok
Kok udah hilang di pagar kok? Gantian bilang. Hah? Foto? Oke, dari kawan tuh foto. Saya simpan aja HP ini hujan.
Ya, HP hujan nih.
Ya dia aja.
Ya, bro.
Nggak boleh. Rupanya bilang sedikit ya. Sudah minum dulu. Minum. Nah, sekali lagi lah. Yang penting udah nyampe puncak. Segini aja. Nah, ini aja sih nggak tahu. Ngomong apa? Nggak ngomong. Kira mau ngomong apa? Ibrahim kalau kamera senyum ya. Kisah sama mama. Atas dulu. Di akuarium. Itu di tas itu. Taboh kayo ba? Satu ya kayak nanti kasihan tuh orang dibagi-bagi. Kita nggak layak rumah ya? Ya. Jauh kali jarak bapak tuh sama anak-anak dia. Yusran pegang, oh Yusran. Oh. Wah, ini Yusran.
Fighting flames of fire, hang on the burning wires. We don't care anymore. Are we fading lovers? We keep wasting colors. Maybe we should let this go. We're falling apart, still we hold together. We passed the end, still we chase forever. Guess
Gimana perasaan Bran? Jadi nanjak semangat sekali Bran. Di awal paling semangat. Ini kok nurun kok udah ada kata capeknya. Gimana menurut Bran? Komentarnya? Enggak. Gimana Bran? Enggak tahu. Gibran nggak bisa berkata-kata lagi.
Apa keluhan lu tuh tinggal dengan
Apa gimana keluar?
urut leher. Oh, leher.
Oh, leher.
Iya. 15 menit sama deh. Siapnya udah kayak apa ya? Belum nggak bisa foto dia. Bisa nggak bisa itu? Bola di akhir.
Apa tadi Bran? Oh. Saya pasti. Rokok. Dia capek dah. Gila.
Mau pegang HP. Sini. Oh, kita gantian. Sini. Pegang HP ya gitu dah. Bisa.
Perjalanan membawaku. Tuh. 1, 2, 3. Oke. Aku juga. Ya. Wah. Kira takkan bersama.
Look how they shine for everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along. I wrote a song for you and all the things you do. Was called yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to have done.
Aduh.
It was all
Alhamdulillah.
yellow.
Kapan? Oh, begini.
Your skin. Oh yeah, your skin.
Tapi ini pendek nih. Oh ya, jadi agak tinggi rupanya.
To something beautiful. And you
Tapi kadang-kadang ini dibakar nih.
know I
Udah kering.
so.
Nih.
You know I love you so.
Suka.
I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line. I drew a line.
Enggak.
Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow.
Video Goa Omar. MU. Video Goa. Video Goa kita ya.
For you, I
ya. MU masuk gua.
For you, I bleed myself
MU masuk gua. Karena iuran, capek iuran. Alhamdulillah dapat tidur malam ini.
how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you.
Tidur dalam gua.
Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do.
Teko. Inilah penampakan.
I was closing all the blinds just so you could sleep the night through.
Pendukung MU.
I was staying by your side just so I knew you were okay. Then I was opening the door just to see if you would walk through. I started painting all the walls just to see if you like the shade. I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else, anybody else. It's enough just to keep us occupied. No, I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else, anybody else. It's enough just to keep us occupied. You were holding out your hands, hoping I'll be there to hold you.
Hasilnya lagi.
I went out to Amsterdam just so I could give
Suara kuntilanak ada.
baby. But I kept opening my door just to see if you would walk through. But now I'm painting on my walls just to see if you like the shade. I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else, anybody else. It's enough just to keep us occupied. Don't go. I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else, anybody else. It's enough just to keep us occupied. Not with anybody else, anybody else. Please don't go. Not with anybody else, anybody else. Please don't go.
Kumpul kayo kumpul lang ako.
sumpah.
We set out on the open road through the fields of gold. Side by side, when it hurts the most, and
Di na.
letting go. We cannot know,
Eda, juga.
we won't give up, we won't forget. It's who we are, forever young.
Jadi kita duduk apa man? Dia ya duduk.
Break down these walls, that's all we are. The sun comes up and it goes back down. It's
Hajar saja melibat ya. Laut mati ya, nambang orang. Di Jordan. Oh, udah mati ya? Enggak ya, nggak bisa hidup. Tapi kali. Enggak bisa. Di minyak kerak-keraknya kayak garam semua. Dia udah asin, bagian ah. Double asinnya. Tidak, masuk terus, ayo masuk terus.
Ambil.
2, 3. Oh, 2, 3. Oke, masuk.
I used to rule the world, seas that rise when I leave.
Enggak jelas. Gampang kok.
Sweep the streets I used to own.
Lama deh.
Dia nggak mau mari.
I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king's dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Mirror, mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone, it was never, never an honest word. That was when I ruled the world. It was the wicked and wild wind blew down the doors to let me in. Shattered
Coba ya.
windows and the sound of drums.
Dan
People couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells
serius tuh bang, kita besok ya.